Okay, so today's video is going to be for those that suffer with headaches. I'm going to show you a couple techniques that are massage that help with the muscles to help relieve pressure for those that are suffering from migraines. So I want you to understand that migraines are coming from many times from the back of the neck, the first vertebrae being out of alignment here. The nerves that come out of there that go up the back of the skull, the greater occipital nerve runs up the back of the skull. We have the lesser occipital nerve that runs along the side of the temples. So those nerves are going to be the ones that make us feel those sensations at many times. It's a cervicogenic headache or it's a neck caused by your neck headache. When we're looking at the muscles that are back here, there's four major muscles back here that are going to be where these nerves come out of. So if at that first vertebrae there's a subluxation or a misalignment, those muscles are going to get tightened due to that pressure on the misalignment is causing those muscles to constrict, and those nerves that exit from here are going to get pressure into those areas that give us those migraine type sensations, even to the eyes, to the occipital nerves. Many people who have headaches have visual disturbances or they have pain behind the eyes. So what we're going to do to help relieve that is basically we're going to take our hands, two index fingers, I'll show you back this way, is I want you to go at the back of the skull, so the suboccipital, these are the areas here. You're going to take your two index fingers, place it back there. You're going to cup your ears so that there's pressure over the ears, kind of like on an airplane when you feel that sensation. So as you're cupping, you're taking some deep breaths and holding there. You're not really digging in there. You want to just take some deep breaths. So, and take some deep belly breaths. As we release that pressure for 10 seconds, you're going to notice that relieves a lot of tension back there. So that's a great way to start with pressure coming off your suboccipitals. At least you can do that between getting to the adjustment that we're going to help relieve the cause of the problem. The second muscle groups are going to be in your jaw. So there's actually TMJ related headaches that are tension around the jaw muscles. So some of the key muscles in your jaw here, the masseter muscle, it's when you bite down, you're going to feel those muscles in there. So massaging those for 10 seconds at a time, regular massage of the masseters. There's also the temporalis, where I was saying these nerves run through. The occipital nerve, you're going to massage just at where the jaw meets the ear, just above the ear. So massaging that is going to relieve a lot of pressure for you. So try those two massages at home. Get in for your adjustments. We'll get to the root of the problem. We're figuring this out for you, but that's a great start.